Welcome to my channel Class Winner by Shri Shyam Books, All India number 1 skill books publisher. Viva Voce questions. Unit 2, Basic Depilation Services. 1. What is hair growth pattern? Answer. It is the natural direction in which hair grows. 2. Why is hair growth pattern assessed? Answer. To select the correct technique and direction. 3. Which tool helps in observing hair growth closely? Answer. Magnifying glass. 4. What factors are observed during assessment? Answer. Direction, thickness, and density of hair. 5. Why is proper lighting important? Answer. To clearly see the hair growth. 6. Why should stimulants be avoided before waxing? Answer. They increase skin sensitivity. 7. When should exfoliation be done before waxing? Answer. 2 to 3 days before waxing. 8. Why is exfoliation important? Answer. It removes dead skin and prevents ingrown hair. 9. Why must skin be cleansed before waxing? Answer. To remove oil and dirt. 10. What is the correct hair length for waxing? Answer. About a quarter inch long. 11. Why should sunscreen be used after waxing? Answer. Waxed skin is sensitive to sunlight. 12. Why avoid heat after waxing? Answer. It can cause irritation and redness. 13. Why wear loose clothing after waxing? Answer. To prevent friction and irritation. 14. What should be done before full waxing? Answer. Patch test. 15. What is the expected result of proper waxing care? Answer. Smooth and irritation-free skin. 16. Why is correct wax temperature important? Answer. To prevent burns and ensure effective hair removal. 17. What happens if wax is overheated? Answer. It can cause burns. 18. What happens if wax is underheated? Answer. It may not remove hair properly. 19. How should wax consistency look? Answer. Smooth and honey-like. 20. Where should wax be tested before use? Answer. On the inner wrist. 21. Why should water be kept away from the heater? Answer. To prevent accidents. 22. In which direction is wax applied? Answer. In the direction of hair growth. 23. In which direction is wax removed? Answer. Against the direction of hair growth. 24. Why is talcum powder used before waxing? Answer. To absorb moisture. 25. What is applied after waxing? Answer. After-wax lotion or soothing gel. 26. Why should skin be stretched during wax removal? Answer. To reduce pain and prevent skin damage. 27. Can waxing be done on irritated skin? Answer. No. 28. What type of hair removal is waxing? Answer. Temporary hair removal from the root. 29. Why are gloves used during waxing? Answer. For hygiene and safety. 30. What is observed after successful waxing? Answer. Smooth and clean skin. 31. What type of thread is used for threading? Answer. Cotton or polyester thread. 32. What is a threading spool used for? Answer. To hold thread properly. 33. Why are sharp scissors required? Answer. For clean and neat cutting. 34. Why is an eyebrow pencil used? Answer. To mark the shape before threading. 35. What is a spoolie used for? Answer. To brush eyebrows before threading. 36. Why is good lighting necessary? Answer. To see fine hair clearly. 37. Why is hygiene important in threading? Answer. To prevent infection. 38. How long should the thread be cut? Answer, 12 to 18 inches. 39. How many twists are made in the thread? Answer, 5 to 10 twists. 40. How does threading remove hair? Answer, the twisted thread pulls hair from the root. 41. Should threading be done in large sections? Answer, no, small sections. 42. What is applied after threading? Answer, antiseptic lotion or soothing gel. 43. Why is post-threading care important? Answer, to reduce redness and irritation. 44. Why is pre-threading cleanser used? Answer, to remove oil and dirt. 45. Why is antiseptic applied before threading? Answer, to prevent infection. 46. What is applied after threading to calm skin? Answer, soothing gel or lotion. 47. Why should moisturizer be applied after threading? Answer, to keep skin soft and hydrated. 48. Why should a patch test be done? Answer, to check for allergic reaction. 49. Why is client consultation important? Answer, to know about skin sensitivity.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe.